Now, and they're off. Not a bad break either. Half a Crown came out worst of the start though. The Close Brothers Business Finance Nursery underway. A good start made by Chateau Peapod, and Prairie Moppins is right up there as well. But taking over Lily Bonnet as they race on down the far side then. What looks to be a pretty generous pace here. Lily Bonnet, the bottom weight. Shelley Burkett striding out in front here. Handy on the outside is La Fontaine, the red cap with a white star. Chateau Peapod and Prairie Moppins on the rails. Divine Connection, the light green jacket, is next, followed by the darker green of Red Hottie with Liberty Filly on that one's inside. Behind Prairie Moppins on the inside then is Moontide as they race towards the end of the back straight. Just hampered their dazzling down on the inside of Ask Siri as the last two as they race on towards the halfway point now are Factor or Fable, the top weight, alongside at the back there Half a Crown as they move down the side of the course then. So they're approaching the last 3 furlongs of this Close Brothers sponsored nursery, and as they turn in, Lily Bonnet is being taken on now by La Fontaine on the outside. Liberty Filly in the striped jacket is being urged to join in as well. Just behind them, Chateau Peapod, Divine Connection and Rob Hornby travelling strongly on the heels of these as they race up now inside the final furlong and a half. La Fontaine making her bid for glory as they race down towards the final furlong. Chateau Peapod on the inside. Here's Divine Connection trying hard on the near side of the green jacket, but La Fontaine is keeping up the gallop very determinedly indeed inside the final half furlong. La Fontaine holding them as they race towards the line. La Fontaine very gainy by half a length from Chateau Peapod. Divine Connection was third, and Dazzling Darren ran on pretty well to take fourth.
La Fontaine victory for Sylvester Kirk, and David Egan always with the pace, just sitting on the rim of the pace, and that was set with Lily Bonnet early and Chateau Peapod.